Artificial intelligence is changing the world. AI is about making computers think like humans. This technology is everywhere. It's in our phones, cars, and homes. AI is helping us solve problems and do things better. For example, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases faster. It can help us drive cars safely. AI is becoming more powerful every day. This is just the beginning of the AI revolution. AI is already changing many industries. It is automating tasks, improving efficiency, and creating new possibilities. AI is also changing how we live, work, and interact with the world. As AI continues to evolve, its impact will only grow stronger. ChatGPT and OpenAI are at the forefront of the AI revolution. ChatGPT is a powerful AI chatbot. It can understand and generate human-like text. OpenAI is the company behind ChatGPT. They create advanced AI models that power ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like a very smart computer program. You can talk to it and ask it questions. It can even write stories, poems, and essays. OpenAI is constantly improving its AI models. This means that ChatGPT is getting smarter and more capable all the time. ChatGPT and OpenAI's models have different strengths. ChatGPT excels at understanding and generating natural language. This makes it ideal for tasks like writing, translating, and customer service. OpenAI's models, like GPT-4, have a broader range of capabilities. They can process images, write code, and even play games. OpenAI recently released GPT 4.1. This model is even more powerful than its predecessors. GPT 4.1 can understand complex instructions and generate more creative and informative text formats. ChatGPT may soon use this new model, making it even more capable. ChatGPT and OpenAI are shaping the future of AI. Their models are constantly pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. ChatGPT is becoming a valuable tool for communication, education, and entertainment. OpenAI's models are being used in fields like healthcare, finance, and transportation. As AI continues to evolve, ChatGPT and OpenAI will play a pivotal role in shaping its development and impact. The future of AI is bright, and ChatGPT and OpenAI are leading the way.